Bennie Master's Lecture, the 6th of the 16 Aspects of Great Compassion, Breaking Pride. Dear friends, greetings to all. Today, we explore the 6th aspect of the 16 aspects of great compassion, breaking pride. Pride is a shackle of the mind, rooted in the delusions of habitual conditioning, yet it can be overcome through reflection and awakening. Let us illuminate the path to liberation with the light of wisdom. 1. Habitual conditioning, the root of pride. Where does pride arise? It stems from the 6 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, and mind, shaped by initial conditioning and repeated reinforcement. Our perceptions are not reality but distorted views defined by habit. For instance, some believe eating casamansu with its larvae is the authentic way to savor its flavor. In Lima, Peru, locals believe frog juice strengthens the body, relieves fatigue, and even enhances vitality. In Guizhou, China, the Dong and Miao people prize cow dung soup made from filtered, half-digested grass from a cow's stomach. To those unaccustomed, these practices are unthinkable, even repulsive. This shows that our beliefs are mere products of conditioning. Pride arises from this, causing us to cling to self-importance and stray from truth. 2. The harm of pride, isolation and obstinacy. Pride is like poison, rendering the heart lonely and unyielding. It makes us defiant, unwilling to listen, and disdainful of others, closing our minds and trapping us in suffering, disconnected from wisdom. 3. Breaking pride, repeated recollection and constant application. How do we break pride? The Buddha's teaching instructs repeated recollection and constant application. Repeated recollection means engraving the dangers of pride into our minds. Self-aggrandizement and contempt are its roots. Constant application means continually reflecting, examining our thoughts. Have I given rise to pride? Through this, pride finds no foothold, like a disease meeting its cure, unable to take hold. 4. The guidance of bodhisattvas, transcending afflictions. With great compassion, bodhisattvas observe beings suffering from pride, isolated and unteachable. They meet beings at their point of attachment, manifesting qualities vastly superior, inspiring awe and aspiration, and promising attainment. Overjoyed, beings are willing to give everything. Skillfully, bodhisattvas guide them to see the emptiness of pride, control afflictions, and reach purity. 5. Conclusion, awakening and liberation. Dear friends, pride is rooted in conditioning, but breaking it relies on awakening. Let us repeatedly recall the harm of pride, constantly reflect on our minds, and emulate the compassion of bodhisattvas. From this moment, let us release pride and embrace humility. Thank you all.